welcome to Windy City Jeep Force. Today we will be doing a product review of Slick Products Off-Road Wash. I'll be using their off-road package, which includes their super concentrated off-road wash, multi-surface shine and protectant, multi-purpose cleaner and degreaser, soft bristle scrub brush, and microfiber towels. Their wash is designed to be a non-corrosive cleaning solution that will remove heavy dirt and mud without stripping lubrication. It's also formulated to be safe on paint, plastics, and metal surfaces. But before we try the wash out, let's go get dirty. Alright, and here's the finished product. We had a wheeling event on Sunday, and she's my daily driver, so unfortunately, she'll have to set in the garage overnight and at work all day tomorrow until I can get home and clean her up. Okay, it's now day 2, so first up I'm going to fill up the Slick Products foam cannon. Their directions state to add 4 ounces of their super concentrated wash to the bottle and fill the rest with water. I found that adding the water first prevents some of the soap from foaming out of the top as you fill the bottle. Their bottle also has a fluid measuring markers on it, so it's easy to tell when you've added the 4 ounces. Prior to application, you want to give it a good rinse to get the extra thick mud off before applying the foam wash. I usually rinse mine for a good 10 to 15 minutes. At this time I'm going to spray some of the multi-surface cleaner, which is designed to remove tough dirt, oil, and grease to my diff covers, tie rod, and steering components. I also use it on my aluminum fenders and steel bumpers. Now the fun part begins, which is applying the foam wash. Apply the foam to your rig and allow the solution to soak for at least 3 to 5 minutes. The solution will penetrate the dirt to the surface for easy removal. The final step prior to rinse is to agitate the surface with a soft bristle brush. I've just started the rinsing process and you can already see how clean even the rough texture areas are. Okay. So my final verdict is that I'm very happy with this product. I don't think there's any magic washes out there that are going to let you spray on some soap, head inside, and your Jeep's going to look like it came out of the factory. But I will say that this definitely cut my wash time in half. I really don't feel the need to wash it again and again like I felt after using other products. So super happy with it. As you can see, even the vinyl decals are safe. Didn't pull anything up, fade them out, dry them out. So I'd like to say thank you to Slick Products for allowing us to demonstrate their product, and thank you to all of you for watching.